Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Jonathan back with another video. This is part 2 of the DIY drum set made out of Tinkertoys. And I forgot to the reason why I'm making a part 2 is because I forgot to tell you guys a few things about this. I don't have a bass drum on it because it's like I'm just using these and you can't really use the bass drum on it. So I just kind of tap my foot when I play it. So I just thought I would tell you guys that about me not having a bass drum on it. As you can tell, yeah, there's no bass drum on it. Because the bass drum would normally be right here, but I don't have one on it because you can't really do it. There's no point of really putting one on there. But if you want to see me at least put a model of it on there, make a model of it, leave a like on this video. Yeah, guys. Also, I'm gonna be playing it. I'm gonna be playing it in this video. So, if you noticed, if you watched part 1 and you were like, he didn't play it, and there's no bass drum. Well, I talked about it in this video. I'm getting ready to play the drum set. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to get the camera angle set up, and I'll be playing it, guys. I'll be playing it for you guys. Okay, guys. So, I'm going to be playing it for you. Yeah, guys. So, that is the playing portion of my DIY drum set out of Tinkertoys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Remember to, if you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to go watch that part 1, and also remember to comment in the comment section down below if you want me to do another DIY video. Give me some suggestions on what kind of DIY you want me to make. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Challenge videos hopefully coming up soon. See you guys later. Bye.